Rehabilitation department and will provide physical, occupational, and speech therapy and even more amenities. Sandra Renicki joins us this morning, bringing us up to speed. Kind of got a big preview there, but tell us about Sitter and Barfoot.
Well, thank you for having me this morning. We're very proud of our facility. It's new. We've only been open less than 2 years. And Sitter and Barfoot Veterans Care Center is owned by the Commonwealth of Virginia. We operate under the Virginia Department of Veteran Services. So we are licensed as a skilled nursing and rehab center. We have 160 beds, all private rooms, all private baths, which is a little unusual in the long-term care setting. As you alluded to, we are able to offer both long-term care and short-term rehabilitation. Just in the short time we've been open, we've had close to 300 residents who have come to us for short-term rehabilitation, and then because of our excellent therapy department and excellent nursing, been able to return to their homes. So those are the services that we can provide.
And the inspiration for the name comes from Medal of Honor winners.
2 Medal of Honor recipients, Colonel Carl Sitter and Colonel Van Barfoot, who's quite well known in the Richmond area, especially lately. Colonel Barfoot is still living and participates with activities at the facility. He was there in December for a Christmas party, and he's someone that we're very close to, but they are both Medal of Honor recipients, which I believe right now there are only 91 living Medal of Honor recipients in the United States. So a very elite group, and we're very proud to have been named after them.
So having a facility with carrying his name, he must be very proud when he comes and visits.
He is, but you know, Colonel Barfoot is a very special person. I hold him in very high regard. He's a very kind man, and I have to say, when he comes to the facility, it's not about him. He says, "Sandra, let's walk around, introduce me to the guys that are here," and he'll stop and talk, and he wants to know if they're okay, if they're getting what they need, and he thanks every one of them for their service to their country.
When folks are coming and seeking services from Sitter and Barfoot, how do they get started?
Most of our admissions come from the acute care hospitals, and we admit from all of the hospitals in the Richmond area, and actually have admitted from hospitals in Northern Virginia, Williamsburg. So that's the most common route. The discharge planner at the hospital would contact us, and we would set up all the arrangements. But we do have many instances where people are admitted from home or from an assisted living, where perhaps now they need a higher level of care. So those families just contact us directly at the facility, and my admissions department works with them to assist them with any required paperwork and make them aware of all the different benefit programs that they might be able to utilize in our setting.
And you and I were talking prior to this interview. You've been in the long-term care field for over 20 years, and yes. Sitter and Barfoot is about 2 years old. What's different about this facility?
Well, as I say, it's a licensed skilled nursing facility and rehab center. We're Medicare and Medicaid certified, also certified by the Veterans Affairs Department. But our facility serves only veterans, and specifically veterans who are residents of Virginia. So for those of us who had careers in health care, it was just an opportunity to serve a very specific and, we think, very special part of our population. We also are able to provide services to active duty service members. We hope to expand that. We have had some experience in doing that. So if someone is either a veteran or an active duty service member, we can provide services to them.
Well, thanks, Sandra. We'll let everybody know how to get in touch.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Thanks for coming in. Sitter and Barfoot Veterans Care Center is located at 1601 Broad Rock Boulevard in Richmond. For information, call 371-8000 or visit online dvs.virginia.gov and click on Veterans Care Services.